All right, guys. So I will send out the signals later. I don't want to confuse you guys because I would have to type out the sell and the buy, and so it's gonna get a little weird. It's gonna get a little too confusing on sending out a signal when it's a buy, but it's actually a sell because the lines are under that position, vice versa. So we are gonna be on the 4 here. Come on. From what I looked at, we were buying the US dollar, looking for the US dollar to come back to 105 to 106, and then maybe at the final turnaround for the third take profit at 107. Okay, that's what I'd be looking at. US 30 dropped back, so we're looking to sell all the indices back down. So looking for US 30 to come back down. Let me get this out of the way. Looking for US 30 drop back down to 33,000 back to 32. 32 would be the next support price. So 32,300 would be the next support price I'd be looking to break through. And then from there, breaking all the way back down to 30,000 to 28,000. Okay. S&P. Looking for S&P to come back down to 3750 to 3500. 3700 to 3600, and then the final take profit would be 3500. So that would be a week. This is the week I'll be looking for. Oh, this week is going to be interesting because interest rate decision is this Wednesday. So get prepared for that. I'm gonna highlight that too. NAS 100. Looking for NASDAQ to come down to 11,000 back to 10,000, and then that is it. Gold. So it's gonna be tricky. Based on this, I would buy gold due to the fact that I forget what kind of candle they call it, but at the end of the day, it's still a doji candle, but then it's pushed itself back up to close to 1800, but it hasn't gone above 1800 to sustain a price above 1800. So we're gonna be looking to sell gold back down. I'd be looking for gold to come back down to from where it started at 1730. So breaking it down, I'm just gonna break it down every $10, 1790 to 1780 to 1770, and then see how much more it's gonna drop back closer to 1700, and that would be the next price to come back down to. UJ, buying UJ. Usually we don't, but UJ's build that support at 134. Looking for UJ to come back to 130, 137, and then 138, and then 139. The big target to move back up to is 140. Once it breaches 140, the next move is to come back to retest the high of 150. That's it. Euro has created this weekly doji candle, so I'm calling this resistance at the 105, looking for it to come back down. Okay, looking for it to come back down to 105,000, and then back down to 104, and then we'll see if it breaks this little support price at 103, and then that's pretty much all we're looking at, is to come back down to 103 by the end of this week. Euro British pound, selling Euro British pound. It's got this inverted bull candle coming back down. Looking for it to break down 85 to 84 and 83. That's going to be a pretty substantial move to come back down to 83 for the week. But I believe for it to come back down to 85 first, that would be my first take profit down to 84. That would be the next support price to break through. All right, so let's get to this. So let's talk about this. The pound, based on this, I would sell the pound, but right now the pound is going up and euro is losing a lot of value for the currency. So pound, let's see if I can send the pound as a buy. Can I send the pound as a buy? So I can't send the pound as a buy because I did have that. So what's going to be interesting is if the pound does not break above 123, I'm going to sell it back down. because it has to sustain the price above 123. And so it's going to be really, really tricky at this point because it's been going up. Now with this candlestick closing out like this, you know, it's still a doji candle, but it's bearish. And it's still up, but that is a resistance price that I'm looking at 123. It doesn't break 123 to sustain above it. I'm going to sell it back down. So I'm talking a lot about the pound because this pair has been moving on its own quite a bit. And don't get too caught up on trying to say, hey, on the weekly swing, this is what I'm going to be doing. I personally would recommend scalping than doing a full on weekly swing. Now I don't mind if you do a full weekly swing using like, you know, your penny lots, right? Your micro lots, like 0.01. Then that's fine. I mean, or just do it on a demo account. I want to be able to implement more scalping videos for you guys to really understand, especially when we have a winter season of trading. So I'm planning on doing that for sure. Let's see, Euro. Yeah, the USD Swiss gonna be kind of tricky. It did drop back, but it didn't drop back enough. This is the third bearish candle. So I would be looking for it to come back up to 94. So we'll be buying this pair. I know it's kind of weird to buy this pair, but we're buying this pair for 94 back to 95. And then from there, see if it breaks 96. I was looking for a major drop this past week on USD Swiss, but didn't really see it. So it did drop back, just didn't drop back enough to keep going back down. And so and that we are buying this pair. We're buying USD CAD for sure. Looking for USD CAD to break 138 back to retest to 140. So I'll put this down easier. First TP 137, second TP 138, and then the final TP will be 139. Somewhere right around here. But I'm expecting this to retest the high 140 before we'll see if it comes back. I know I did the high price like 144, I think it was, before oil prices came back up. All right. So for Australia and New Zealand, we are selling both of them. There's a resistance price that I've been eyeing on for Australia here at the 68. Looking for it to come back down to 67 to 66. Okay. And then for New Zealand. Okay, so for New Zealand, I want to be able, well, I mean, not me. We're gonna be selling New Zealand back down to 63 to 62 and then 61. The resistance price is seen at 64.475 here. So that is all I have. Like I said, this week is gonna be interesting, guys. We have the federal rate decision this Wednesday. No, stop. Hang on. We have, and so it's going to be a 0.50 basis points, 50 basis points. So from going from 4% to, to 4.5. Be well aware of what's really happening right now with the economy, with the global, with the global economies. The whole world is taking a toll. It's just a matter of time. It's a ticking time bomb. I don't know what the first thing's going to happen, but I'm pretty sure, when the market does come down, whether it be the stock market first or the housing market first, or I'm starting to see in the car market already, but it's not enough substantially to, for something to break. So I'm looking for something major to break. All right, could be the central banks. I don't know. But other than that, Wednesday is a big day. So be well prepared for Wednesday, guys. I'm going to be prepared because that's going to be a day where we can make a lot of money. or lose a lot. But I'm looking forward to making a lot of money. Now, my prediction for this is probably going to end up buying the US dollar, and everything's going to get shut down against the US dollar. So all the other currencies are going to be going down pretty hard. So our net, I will send out signals later because I can't. If I send out the rest, it's going to be way too confusing to look at. So that's why I'm making this video first. So our net, peace out. All right, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I just want to share, talk about what we're going to be doing for this week for crypto. Like I said before, crypto hasn't been really doing a whole lot. And so I'm gonna go hop down to the 4-hour chart here for you guys. Let's see here. Whoa, come on. Yo, all right. So Bitcoin has a lot of resistance seen. Got it, thank you. It's 17,200. I'm just gonna narrow this down. It's just been sitting at the 17,000 price this past week and today. So not a whole lot to work with. It's probably just gonna end up being like this for the rest of the week, if not the rest of the month. It's gonna get really choppy like this. Think about all the crypto exchanges that have taken a hit. Think about all the crypto exchanges that are losing money because investors and retail traders are pulling out their money right now. I mean, they've been pulling out their money a lot this year. So the market value isn't there anymore. And there's not it don't matter how many people just come in and pump and dump the markets, right? Especially when the whales come in. So this is something to really understand, that if you want to invest in crypto or buy crypto, it is just going to be a short-term investment, short-term trading, right? Scalping, right? So it falls back into scalping. If you guys have any questions in relating to scalping, you guys can, message me. I'm not shying away. I know it's going to be a quick video. I just want to let you guys know that there just isn't a whole lot to work with. Even if crypto is going up, right? Even if crypto is going up 1-2% today, that's not substantial. We're talking, for something for us to, when we're trading these pairs, are we really making profit? Because the spreads are so high in the Forex brokers, right? The foreign exchange. So, like I said, Bitcoin's going to be sitting here for a while. Let's see what Ethereum's doing. Sitting at not even 13, right? 1270. Litecoin at 77. Litecoin did do a big move, but that was back in November. And I'm just gonna highlight this. It's just been here. 78 to 75. Shiba's coming back down. Doge is stuck at 9 cents. Move this down here. Pesos at $1. You can just see the structure is so choppy. Hasn't done much, It's just been sitting the same price range. Ripple's sitting at 38 cents. Yeah. So Neo did go up, but it's actually coming right back down. So $7.30. Ooh, let's get to this. Dash did a big move back in November, but so choppy here, $47. Solana, yeah, that's a big drop for Solana. Yeah, $13. Zcash, 40, 43, 44. And then we got US Tether. So, quick video. Like I said, refrain yourself from trying to do any big trades, and also stacking, right? Or trying to multiply your positions. Okay. I will still send out signals, right? But be well prepared that this isn't a month where I would want to be messing around or trying to go all out. Okay. Take a step back, right? Take a step back on your approach. Focus on other investments, focus on other trading, right? Foreign exchange, right? Indices, stocks, you know, crypto trading, it's like baby, the only way you're gonna really make a lot of money is if they pump up that one coin and then dump it. That's the only way to do it. All right, Nat, that's all I got for you guys. Happy Sunday, guys. Hope everybody's doing good. Peace.